Welcome to your dream home. This stunning 4-level end-unit townhome is a true gem. With one of the largest floor plans offered by the builder, this home is sure to impress, little over 3,000 square feet. Step inside and be greeted by the spaciousness created by the 4-foot extension on the back and the 2-foot extension on the side, additional windows to add to the window galore throughout the home. With a total of 3 bedrooms and 3.5 baths, there is plenty of room for everyone. The loft is a versatile space that can be transformed into a 4th bedroom, a guest room, or an office, depending on your needs. Prepare to be wowed by the upgraded kitchen, complete with granite countertops, 42 cabinets, gas cooktop, wall oven, stainless steel appliances, a huge island, and a family room just off the kitchen. The hardwood floors add a touch of elegance, while the gas fireplace creates a cozy atmosphere. The bathrooms feature beautiful tile flooring, and the primary suite boasts a big upgraded shower for a luxurious experience. Convenience is key, with the laundry located on the bedroom level. The basement offers a fantastic rec area, perfect for entertaining or relaxing. Parking is a breeze with a front-load 2-car garage. Step out onto the deck off the family room and take in the breathtaking view of the woods. The private backyard is a tranquil oasis, providing the perfect space for